presenting realistic 3D models of procedural Phoenix Canariensis or Canary Island date palm with wind animation. 3ds Max and the latest version of GrowFX 2 is required. These high-quality 3D models include high-resolution PBR textures, shaders for Corona Render, FStorm and V-Ray. It's a fully customizable 3D asset which offers creative freedom. You can tweak or animate any parameter and receive desired palm's shape and animation. Make your own palms, adjust height, density, style and so on, tweak wind speed, palm flexibility, and even make cycled wind animation.